Close your eyes, make yourself very comfortable, and as you make yourself very comfortable, just be aware of your breath. Be with your breath for a few seconds. Now feel your breath near your feet and inhale from your feet and exhale from your nose. Now, along with the breath, you're also inhaling brown color energy from earth through your feet. And you are taking it up, up, up till your head and releasing it through your head. This brown color energy of earth has saturated your body completely. It is making your body feel very lighter, and slowly your awareness from your physical body is shrinking towards your breath. Now you're only aware of your presence and your breath. Imagine yourself at a station waiting for a train. There is no one around you. A special train is going to come which will take you towards the destination today, a mystical destination today. The train has come. The train is empty. Step in, board the train. Make yourself comfortable in the train. Watch out of the window. It is passing through lush green fields. The cool breeze is gracing you. It is gracing your hairs. Be still with the view outside. The train is passing through valleys, through mountains, and through various colorful fields. And slowly, the train is pausing and has stopped. You can see a station outside the window. Step outside the train, and there is a guide and an animal waiting for you. There is no one around except for the guide and the animal. Just observe the guide and see which animal is waiting for you. Greet them. Share your smile. They are also smiling back. They are also greeting you. They are your guides for today's session. They will take you to the right destination and they will help you, protect you, guide you. Now, hold your guide's hand, be with the animal, and just start walking outside. They are taking you into a mystical forest. This forest is one of the inner kingdoms of earth, and this forest is very alive. The trees, the birds, the soil, the insects, each and every creature of this forest is very alive and they are capable of speaking to you. You're standing outside the forest and Brother Wind is gracing you. Before you can enter this forest, a cleansing has to be done. Feel the wind blowing towards your face, towards your whole body, and taking away all the unwanted energies from your aura. Just feel the breeze coming in. Feel your aura is expanding with each breath. You're feeling more lighter and clearer. Now you're ready to step into the mystical forest, into the heart of the nature. Step in. Your guides are taking you towards a section of the forest which is full of stones. You will find stones of all size, all colors here. These stones are not ordinary stones. They have consciousness inside and they are very aware. They have ancient wisdoms within them. They have seen millions of years of Earth's evolution and they carry very ancient energies and frequencies. Now, your guide will point a stone towards you. You have to be with the stone. If the stone is very big, just climb and sit on the stone. If the stone is very small, just hold that stone in your hand. And the stone is so willing to share its wisdom with you. It is tapping into your subconscious mind and giving you impression of ancient energies and frequencies. Just feel the stone and feel the energies which are coming in. Hakara manana ni amakarana ni hamana ni hanana hanashana hamana ni hamama karasa manana manana he amana hakara mahana hamama hashana manana ni hamama mama mama hanamani ni amakasana zarushana mama hamana hamana hamama hamakanana ni hamana ni mama he nana mama mama hamani ni hamana. The impression has been made. Share your thankfulness with the stone, with this great consciousness, and telepathically ask if there is any special message for you. And just be very aware to any kind of thought running in your mind, any sensation, any feeling, any memory which is popping up. Just be with yourself. Allow whatever is happening to happen. Don't judge, don't think. Now, your guide is holding your hand and you're being guided towards a section of the forest where ancient shamans are waiting for you. They are ancient elders of the earth, very old and wise. They carry very strong, powerful and gentle healing energies. There are a group of shamans who were waiting for you. Just greet them. They are guiding you towards a seat made up of grass. Grace yourself on that seat. If you feel like lying down, lie down. The ancient shamans wants to clear your ancestral genetic programming which is not supporting you now. The energies are creating your blockages for your growth and for your wisdom to sprout. One of the wise shamans steps up and he has his ancient tools in his hand, the feather of eagles. Now he will be performing a ceremony through which, with the help of the feathers of eagles, all your generational traumas and energies which are not needed are going to run away. Just be aware of your palms and feet. You may feel the release and some kind of momentary pain in your shoulders, in your arms, in your hips, and in your thighs. It is momentary. Just allow it to go away. Your DNA programming is getting reprogrammed, which is more suitable for the current times and for the times which are going to come. We also carry our ancestral genetics in our soul DNA. They are placing a very old herb on your forehead, which will help you to clear away this genetic dysfunctionality from your soul DNA. Just be present to it. Just be aware that all these energies are releasing from your hands, from your feet, from your pores, energetic pores. Hani hami hami hani hama nana hama mama kata tata mama mama hani hama mama mama hiya mashana nana maka nana na hama mimi mimi ama kashi sashi ya papa pasi tiki rashu su tu tu hira shu tata rashu su sa 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 hama karashu sa sa sa. The wise old woman of the group is stepping up, and she's blowing healing energies through your head, which is getting transferred to your whole body and bringing in new fresh of genetic energies. Just be aware to the blow and the energies which are rushing into your body through your head. Hushi yani hamani mama nana nana mi ashi ata tata mama mama mimi mama hanani shiti mi hami akana na mama hani mama shita mama mama. You may feel a current of energy flowing in your body, very strong vibrations. Hani amakana na mama 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 hishitiri mi mama 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 hana na mi mama mama kene mama mama shata sama mama mama mi hana sama mama hiya mama mani mama mama kana na mama 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 shata shata hishata satara satara shata satara shata hishata kara shata sahasara shata kara shata. Now it's time to thank those shamans, the wise old medicine people, and it's time to hold the hands of your guide and follow your animal. Now they are taking you towards a very sacred corner of the jungle. Here, the spirit of wise trees preside. These trees, this spirit, are interdimensional ones. They not only belong to inner kingdom of earth, they also belong to various other dimensions in the cosmos, and they bring in wisdom and energy which cannot be given by any other soul in the whole cosmos. You will find yourself surrounded by various trees. They are smiling at you, they are greeting you. They have very different kind of leaves, different colors of leaves. Some trees are very tall, some are very huge, some are very thin but short, and they all carry very special frequency which you all need today. They all are allowing their roots to come out of the ground, and it is creating a matrix for you. You are asked to lie down on the matrix of these roots. As you lie down, they are showering their leaves over you. You're completely filled with the different colors and different kinds of leaves. And one of the trees is going to sing to you to open your heart. And this song is the song of your heart, which is very pure, very sacred, which is going to allow you, which is going to align you to the rhythm of the earth and the rhythm of the center of the cosmos. Just enjoy the song which is coming for the opening of your heart. Hamaniya kana shama samakana hanana manana manana hakana shitiniya. Hiri ami hati hari hani hami hashini mi himi himi himi. Hamakana nana mama shri mi himi hama mama mama ma. Hiyamanani hami hama hama. If you feel like shedding tears, please do so. A gentle yellowish green pinkish energy is flooding into your heart, clearing all the ancient dark spaces of your heart. Your hearts are opening. Allow them to open. Hikara Shri me himi hami hami hani hani hami 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 hani hami mama shamakara sutamara manan himi himi shana mimi hami. Allow all that is coming out, whether it is tears, whether you feel like howling, whether you feel like crying aloud, just do it. Hika shata manani himi hamakana mama hi anana mama karusu mama. One of the roots enters into your heart through your back heart chakra, and it is bringing in the medicine which your heart needs right now. Feel the expansion of your heart. Slowly your heart is expanding and it is covering whole of your being, whole of your awareness. You're inside your heart right now. And the space is expanding, getting more powerful, more stronger. Breathe into it. You may find various colors inside your heart, different geometric symbols inside your heart. Just open your heart and receive it. Hakurushi mimi amakanana manana hanana manani yamakarana hintana shana mama hari yamakara hama mama yamakarana himi hamana mama yamama Hashimi hani mama hiyana mama karana numiya yarusuti shiti hiri shiti. The energies from your heart is moving up towards your head. You may feel the expansion of your head, expansion of your thoughts. The energy from your heart is now moving down towards your basic chakra, towards the tail of your spine, and you may feel an expansion there. This energy is now moving down through your feet, and the strong roots are sprouting out of your feet, merging with the roots of the tree. The sacred union between your heart and Mother Gaia's heart has just happened. Mother Gaia is here. She is placing her hand over your heart and she wants to bless your heart. There is an emotional seed inside your heart. It will awaken that seed, releasing all the emotional debris and awakening to the new emotional heart in you. I could sense golden greenish energy flowing out of your heart, and it is spreading out to the trees, to the entire cosmos. It is touching each and every heart which is coming along in the way. Mother Gaia says that your emotional body is completely cleansed and renewed. Emotionally, you will feel new from now onwards. All the emotional past debris has been cleansed away. And she wants to thank you for stepping into your divinity, for stepping into your power and allowing the sacred union of Mother Earth's heart and your heart to happen. And now it's time to leave these trees with gratitude and move ahead on the journey today. The guide is now taking you to one of the sacred temple in the forest, which is Temple of Fire. Step in the temple and Goddess Durga is waiting for you here. I see her wearing red sari. The energies are very subtle, gentle, but very strong fire energies she's carrying today. There is a tub. She wants you to sit inside that tub. The tub is made up of a crystal labradorite, which is grey in color. Step into the tub. Mother Durga is now pouring a solution on you, which is a mixture of turmeric and vermilion. The yellow color turmeric is flowing towards the right side of your body, and the red color vermilion is flowing towards the left side of your body, clearing away all the karmic distortions of your masculine and feminine, and clearing away all the entanglements across the dimensions which is not serving you. A very deep healing, soul healing is happening here. Just allow all the dirty, dark, black, grayish energies coming out of your feet and allow them to get drained with this solution, with this blessing of Ma Durga. The whole temple is now filled with yellow color towards your right and red color towards your left. Some of you may feel warm energy towards your right body and cool energy towards your left body. Release all the burdens. Release all the family burdens, all the professional burden, all the financial burdens here and now. As your heart is opened, the more debris will come out of you. And the soul healing is happening right now for you. Now, Ma Durga is standing in front of you. She has a golden trident in her hand. She's pointing this trident towards your navel chakra, towards your belly button. And she's rotating the trident in a clockwise direction. You may feel energy moving or whirling around your navel. This energy of Ma Durga is awakening divine feminine and divine masculine within your being and balancing it. Hankanani himi hamakutanana hama hame heme hama shunanana nama mama hikanana hama hami hi hi shuma hama hama himi hima mami hima mama mama hanna mama mama. Some of you may feel like getting up and moving your body, dancing, whirling around. Just do it. Higari zidi bigiri mimi mongonini mamanini mama mehidi mehidi hidi mama 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 mini hana mama mama. The red and yellow is mixing, and now the temple is filled with golden color. The red and yellow has mixed completely with each other. And now your aura, the whole temple, the whole space is filled with golden color, luminous golden color. Hedi yami hami mimi hini hama kana nanani himi hama hama mimi hama kani nini himi kana mama mama meme hini mama makani ni makana nana hama mimi hama kana ni hama kana nana mimi mama. This golden energy is now seeping into your body through your belly button. Hingini mini hini hini mini nini ni kana nana mini nana nana mani ni kana nana mani ni kana nana manani hama kana nini nana nana. As this is happening, Ma Durga is placing her left hand over your head, and she is also transferring the integration energies of this golden energy into your body, into your etheric bodies. He shimikini hami hami kana nana moshini mini nini mini nini nana nana makini nana nana makana nana nini nana makana. Hamani yama kana nana hami hami kana nana hami 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 kana nana 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 nana. You may feel energies are moving up from your spine, going towards your head and flowering above, encircling you with pure divine frequencies. And now it is time to share your gratitude with Ma Durga. She's smiling, she's blessing you, and she's signaling your guide to take you to a sacred space in the forest. And she says, a sacred gift is waiting for all of you over there. And now your guide is taking you towards a sacred space. It's beautiful night. You are into the open field. It's lush green, flowery field. The animal is taking you towards the center of the field. And there is a special arrangement made for you. There is a golden color chair waiting for you. They are asking you to sit on the chair very comfortably, relaxing yourself and just receiving the blessings which are coming forth. The animal has turned into a ball of light and has entered into your heart and into your head and has come out again through your feet, preparing you to receive the energies. Look up at the sky. The moon is shining bright. The luminous silvery light of moon is very relaxing, very cooling. Look at the moon. A sparkle of lights are coming out of the moon and they are traveling towards you. The sparkle of light is now taking the form. Goddess of moon is here. Greet her. Lord Krishna is here. Greet him. Goddess of moon is now transferring moon energy through your forehead. Just receive the silvery luminous energy. The energies are entering into your whole body and radiating out through your feet and through your palms, grounding these energies into you. She is saying, my dear child, I have been watching over you since ages. Since the time I am revolving around Earth and silently watching the evolution of the souls happening here, the flowering of the consciousness taking place. She's saying that her energy also has the sunlight because moon cannot radiate light without receiving the sunlight. So these energies are very sacred and only the blessed ones are receiving these energies today. Just allow these energies to fill your cells, fill your organs, fill your awareness. Hamani amaha karasha mama mimi amanana ham mama mimi kishiyahana himi amasha. You may feel vibrations, cold sensations in your body. The energy is making you lighter and lighter. And she's saying that this is a gift of freedom. The lightness will allow you to fly in your inner worlds. Hakar yamiha hani shami hakiri mimimi ammaha nasha hamahaniya shamahasa hiyamananaham mahashihi hisirushasananamasha. Now, goddess of moon is sitting towards your left hand side, meditating and transmitting sacred geometries into your vibratory field. Lord Krishna is sitting in front of you. He is going to do a sacred initiation for your soul evolution, and this is going to happen in pin drop silence of your awareness. So he asked me to say nothing. When the moment is right, words will flow. Till then, receive his initiations through the music and just be in that awareness. Just feel whatever you're feeling, sense whatever you're sensing. Now, Goddess Mother is asking you to hand over your wishes to her, and she will take your wishes with her to the moon, and the kingdom of moon will bless it today. And if it is for your highest good, those wishes are going to manifest definitely in your life. Just have faith, she says. And with this, it's time to show our gratitude to Goddess Mother Moon, Lord Krishna. The guide is taking you back to the station. It's early morning. The train has been waiting for you there. Step into the train. You're again passing through the valleys, the green fields, the beautiful sceneries moving outside the window. And now you're back into your body. The brownish energy of the earth is now releasing back through your feet into the Mother Earth. Be aware of your body, be aware of your breath, be aware of your feet, and Just be aware to the sound of rattle which I'm going to make. This will help you to integrate the energies which you have received today. With this, I thank you, each one of you, for being present in this space, creating this space, and anchoring the energies, and allowing me to serve you all. Be in the space. I'm going to end this session in a minute. Whenever you feel aware, fully awake, come out, have water, ground yourself. Stay blessed. May your families be blessed. Stay protected at all moments. All of you are protected, divinely protected.